Today in this video, we're going to talk about a beautiful treatment that I really want patients to do at home, experience the glory of Ayurveda and get relief from the pain, the stiffness and the swelling. I really want you to have this Uttam Vat Chikitsa to be done at home. Our patients today in 55 plus countries, they do this treatment as a bonus, as an addition for the extra benefits to make sure they get miraculous benefits and the treatment tapers down and they are free from the disease. We see that patients follow this treatment, taking the efforts and make sure they get results. More the efforts, faster the results and longer its sustainability. So this is a treatment I'll be sharing from pin to pen, how you got to do this treatment, whether you're in a rural or an urban area, India or abroad, wherever you are, you can do this treatment to make sure the results are seen in absolutely no amount or least amount at all. So ghar ghar tak Ayurveda, for Ayurveda to reach from home to home, from you to all, from me to you and from ghar ghar tak Ayurveda, har ghar Ayurveda, for Ayurveda to reach every family, we are making this video. Make sure you do this so you see results from the first day itself, and you make sure you share the views in the comment section and you make sure you share this video with others as well so they get relief with regards to their pain. Let's understand in this video. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. We're talking about pain and Ayurveda treatment at home. This is a treatment that basically requires 4 to 5 simple ingredients with a very minimal cost, but of course efforts to make sure you see the changes. Whether you have a knee pain or a backache, you got to do this treatment. It has deeper absorption of the oils and you see Vat Shamana, you see the Nirvat, you see the Nirgati, you give Gati to the Vat, you give direction to the Vat, so Vat flows out of the system. And over here in Ayurveda, whether it is a knee joint osteoarthritis or whether it is rheumatoid arthritis, whether it is the the back aches, cervical spondylosis, neurological conditions, it is very important to know that Vayu Nasti Ruja. I'm trying to make it very simple for you. Vayu Nasti Ruja. Ruja is the pain. Nasti is without. There is no pain without the accumulation and the aggravation of Vat. So where there is pain, there is Vat. Vatala Karkasha Stabda Shul Nistot Pidita, all this pida, all this suffering where patients have pain, patients have the swelling, they have the stiffness, it is because of the Vat. So you give Gati to the Vat, you do the Shamana of the Vat and patients are relieved. Over here, Ayurveda also, this first medical science, this ancient old medical science today has promising results even for those disorders which are discovered in 22 and 2023. For conditions like ankylosing spondylitis, where the patients tell us HLB27 is positive, we see beautiful results for such autoimmune conditions as well. So over here, let's talk about the treatment. Over here, we're going to do a treatment which is called as the Basti treatment. Ayurveda has 2 branches of therapies, the Panchakarma and the Upakarma. Upakarma, which is the different minimal treatment or the pre-operate with the karma, Agni karma, Basti Chikitsa, which is the Bahya Basti Chikitsa, and more than 100 plus treatments are there to make sure different disorders are taken care of. The Panchakarma, which is the Vaman, Virich and Basti, Nasya, Rakta, Moksha. So Basti of 2 types, Abhyantar Basti, which is the proper Panchakarma, the enema, as well as the Bahya Basti, which is Basti to be done for external purpose. So over here for different disorders, different kinds of Bastis are taken. For sciatica and the lumbar spondylosis, which is Katigat Shul, we do the Basti over the back, which is Kati Basti. For knee related pain, we see Janu Sandhi, Aunsha Basti, Aunsha Basti, Janu Basti, Manya Basti, Merudanda Basti. I'll add the videos over here. It is a treatment I'll be talking from pen to pen, but done at respective locations to make sure the pain comes down and the problem is solved. So over here, the first step is you're going to require Urad ka atta. You're going to require Urad atta. The second, you're going to require sesame oil or medicated oil, best sesame oil. Number 3, you're going to require some cloth, cotton or a syringe. And number 4, you're going to require you're going to require a heater or some gas to indirectly heat the oil. And number 5, you're going to require the patient who has pain and who is going to experience how the pain comes down. Number 1, we're going to prepare a dough out of the urad atta. Prepare a dough just how you prepare the chapati or a roti. Prepare a dough of this particular as explained and as shown in this particular video. Add some water, prepare a dough and keep it over the respected area. You'll get all the information in this video. The first step is, if you have the time, if you get the time, first apply some oil, do the snehan, mild oil, give a sek, use a cotton or a cloth, use a cloth, put it on the gas, give a sek, give some fermentation. Once these first 2 steps are done, prepare a dough and keep it over the respected area. Cover it externally, cover it internally, so whenever you put the oil, it doesn't spill out. Next is sesame oil. There are different medicated oils like this Mahanarayan tel, Mahamash tel, this Pinda tel, Kotam Chukadi tel, but all these oils are decided by a Vaidya whose responsibility is to do Purusham Viksha. Every person is different. Every person is different. Every person's treatment is different. So over here, what you can take from this video is use sesame oil. Take sesame oil, indirectly heat it. Indirectly remove it in a vessel, put it over a hot water. Indirectly heat it through double boiler system. Indirectly heat it, and then take a syringe or a cloth and pour it over the respected area. Make a bridge at least of 1/2 or 1 inch or more than that. Make proper oil. Make sure that it's warm enough so that patient can bear it, and wait for 10-12 minutes until it's coming back to room temperature. Repeat this for 3 times. Again, remove, second time, remove, third time. If you don't get the time to do so, put hot oils as the person can bear, don't burn the skin, and then keep it for 30 minutes straight in case if somebody doesn't have time. So repeat it 3 times or keep it 1 time. When you prepare a pool, the oil is absorbed at a very deeper level to do the shamana of the vat. It is having very good results. Here, this is what you can do. Then remove the oil, keep it in the respected bottle. Remove the dough, put it back into a vessel, and you can use the same for, let's say, 4-5 times or 6-7 times. You can use the same oil for 4-5 times, 6-7 times to make sure that it is also cost effective. So there's no problem from cost point of view. The next very important is that you can, whatever oil is used, don't throw the oil after 4-5 times. Use the same oil for other oil or external purpose, for abhyanga, for massage purpose. Beautifully explained as Abhyangam Achre Nitya Sajara Shrama Vataha. Nitya, daily. You need to do it daily. Jara, best anti-aging treatment. Shrama, relieving the fatigue. Vataha, to reduce the vat. So do the Abhyanga on a daily basis of the leftover oil. Do not throw it. Do this on a daily basis. If no time, then do it once a week, twice a week, thrice a week. More effort, more result. No effort, no result. No pain, no gain. Pain, efforts, all the gain. Ghar ghar tak Ayurveda. Every home you can simply do it. You need assistance of only 1 person. Do it at the respected, affected area. You can do the Akshi Tarpan or the Netra Tarpan using cow's ghee. It is simple, same steps you need to take care of. We have the Instagram reel. Do follow Jyovis on Instagram to see all the videos and latest ideas and different treatments that we do. Patients can do this at home to make sure that they see results. Along with the main line of treatment, this is an addition that we advise to patients in over 55 plus countries. I'm very happy to tell you this, that our patients at Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda taken efforts, are super disciplined and rock solid about taking efforts to make sure they need results. Because first and foremost, we tell the patient, if you're here and if you're ready to put in efforts, you start the treatment. Because Ayurveda needs efforts for long-term benefits. So very happy to see patients taking a lot of efforts. They do the treatment at home, they see the vat shamana, and faster and easier that medicines are tapered off, and we go to the apunarbhav chikitsa, where the disease does not come back again, and then we do the Prakruti Stapan. Without medicine, we see the Stapan of Prakruti is done. Health is maintained, health is established, and the problem is solved. So over here, it is very important to take care of all the joints and muscles. For all these kinds of Vata Vikaras, Basti is important. We do the Meru Danda Basti, one of the best for neurological conditions. Do this Basti at home, see the results, do it as much as you can, once a day, more times in a week. Experience the glories of Ayurveda. Share this video with those people whom you experience having pain. Tell them to take it some time, give some time, do it on a daily basis, put in some time and get this treatment done. Ayurveda, this old ancient science, beautiful are its results. We see that once patient who comes to Ayurveda never leaves Ayurveda. They don't just treat their condition, their life becomes and is surrendered to Ayurveda and the lifestyle and the glories of Ayurveda, physical as well as the mental aspect. We see patient completely falling in love with Ayurveda and following Ayurveda as it is. What I've explained you is in the classical text as it is for you to do this treatment at home. So I am really looking forward to hear from you in the comment section that you have done this treatment and you experienced that yes, Ayurveda is working and you are sharing this video to all the needful ones. This is all for now. I'm Dr. Raj Satpute from Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda. Choose Ayurveda, choose wisely, share this video further. Until next time from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.